Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to cough up the money. To cough up the money is to pay or spend that amount. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. I have no choice but to cough up the money for my taxes. Parents and students are forced to cough up huge sums of money these days in the pursuit of higher education. Today's idiom is to cough up the money, to pay or spend that amount. Today's idiom was taken from 505 business idioms and phrasal verbs. The link to Amazon is provided. I forgot to say, 505 business idioms and phrasal verbs was written by Clare Whitmell, and the link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.